What's up, guys? Welcome to Bro Beats. Today I'm trying to make a Young Dolph type beat. Now for the BPM, I'm choosing 145. I've heard BPMs that range from 135 to 160, so you can choose anything in between there, or whatever BPM you want. But for me, I'm choosing 145, so you can copy me if you want to, whatever you want to do. So now with these type beats, keep it simple. Not always, you don't have to keep it simple every single time, but I wouldn't. For the melodies, I would say the melodies are very repetitive. They kind of like, they have that kind of that 2012 kind of melody structure. So for the sounds that I pick, more synth wise, but you would usually want to pick, I hear a lot of pianos in his beats, like piano type sounds, so you probably steer towards that. But me, I like these type of sounds, so that's what I'm using. So I'm gonna pull a scale in so you can see exactly what I'm doing and what I'm looking at. So I'm gonna just choose a scale, let's pull that, and yeah, so let's just get started. So I'm going to piano roll, and automatically I want this to sound kind of dark, right? I want it to be a happy beat. All right, I want it to be a darker type beat. So I'm gonna use these like half notes here, as you can see. I'm gonna try to use those to make a melody. So here I go. I'm gonna just click. And one thing to note, like a little tip, is try to make it sound somewhat like an ARP. All right, now you see how ARPs don't usually do this, right? Which you can do this, but they don't usually go like, you know, like this, right? And what I'm doing is I'm kind of making it go like an ARP, and these are how ARPs kind of perform usually, right? So that's what I'm doing here. And I might keep, hold on, wait. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that and then come back into it with this. And then I'm gonna go back into the next melody with this, and then probably change something over here. All right, so I like that. So pull that over, and then I'm gonna copy this because I don't think I need anything else. Let me see. Turn that velocity down a bit. Okay, so for the next one, as you can see, it's just one melody. Now you can do counter melodies, but I just don't feel the need for that. All right, Young Dolph is a rapper that you probably want to listen to him more than the beat, I guess, you know, or 50-50, but let's pull that up, turn this down a little bit, and this should be kind of a full melody here. Hear it. All right, so that's good right there. So now I'm gonna do the bass. Now I'm not gonna do the bass with all the melodies, because for me that ruins the beat for me. I just hate when I accidentally, you know, play all the melody. It just ruins like the drop for me. So I'm gonna just turn those off and do the bass. Now with the bass, just do something subby, something smooth. Be a human. Don't just, you know, sit here and just like, oh, I'm just clicking on the, no, don't do that. Like, actually feel for where you want to put it, because that's what's going to give you the bounce for the beat, right? Now if I just come in here, I could just come in here and be like, well, I do know that I use this note, and then I can just put a note here, right? But you're not making music, you're just clicking the notes blindly. So I'm gonna feel for it and see where I want to put the notes. Now I advise you to do that too. So let me do that real quick. All right, I'm putting this lower just to create some sub, and I'm gonna put this down an octave later, but for now I'm just keep it like this. I'm gonna try to do a different note here. Let's try the G sharp. Something. Try that. Now I want to stay away from melodic type of melodies. All right, but I think that should be good right there. That should be kind of all right. So here we go. So now I'm gonna copy this, and from here it's pretty simple. You just gotta pick and choose what you want, and I'm gonna just show you something that I do on the verse and then the hook, and then yeah. So let's see. Pretty much done with the beat now. All we need is Young Dolph to rap on it and put some hi-hats. Let's see. Put the kick right here. And for the snare, this is obvious generic stuff that we always do. Okay, snare, regular snare. Now for the clap. Now the reason I put these in here is because I was thinking, all right, on the verse, it can be a lot more spaced out. It doesn't have to be crazy. It could be a lot more smooth. So I put a clap in this hi-hat to give it some bounce, just to make the, have a different variation for the verse, right? So for this hi-hat, what I'm gonna do is place it right here. And I keep putting it on this side. Put it on this side. Here. That. And now we can copy it over. Okay. So this is what it would sound like on the verse pretty much. Obviously you would go in and do some extra stuff, but pretty much that's what I would do for the verse or something like that. And it will sound better obviously with the lower bass. So for this, this snare, I'm gonna mute these two, put this in. Okay, so I like that. Now for this open hat, I'm gonna just place it right here, just because I don't know. You can place it here if you want, but I'm gonna place it there. Okay, so now the hi-hats. Now this, you can keep it simple and just do this. But I feel like that's too, you're doing too much. It's too simple. So I'm gonna put a hi-hat roll maybe like in the beginning, and then one maybe around where the snare hits, just to create some bounce. And then we can kind of do the regular stuff. All right. Now let's see. I'm gonna just do this real quick so it's easier. Go to 1/6, and then we can just do a hi-hat roll right here. Okay. Let's copy this over, and I might just leave this one blank just so it's a little different on this side, right? All right, so now we're pretty much done with the beat. You can see the hi-hats are super easy. pretty much done. You can add some other perks if you want, but I don't think it's necessary for this type of style. So let's pull the bass down, and then let's just play everything together real quick. And then I'm gonna do another video, an arrangement video. It's kind of like a new format I want to do. So just comment down below if you want me to release that today. Well, at the time of this video, the release of this video today, or you know, a separate day. So I'm gonna play this all together. I don't know why I did that. Why is this? Oh wait. All right, and for the arrangement video, I will, you know, go into depth on how I would arrange this. Right now, for the verse, this is what it would sound like, somewhat. Something like that. But that's gonna be it for this video. That's how I make a Young Dolph type beat. So comment down below and let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, especially if you are new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.